slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health.
Because I'm just wrong, exactly 23 minutes as we leading to 1 o'clock. Coming up to my last time experience. Can you know the family? That's it. Look at the one name. Mutin, Nwamba, aka Rod Metal. Dina Badao, our studio, Kingsley, Mulanga, Mr. Blake Couch. The Makuruma would be one of the Peter Swagger. I was going to the fences of the Rendo, Roa, Ibo Munga Pangapa, you know, Mr. Blake Couch in Peter Swang. In a wonder, Nasia Baricota, Nomboro, Zidawudori, the Alien, Riscodanga Genovena, as soon as Dori is Susarani. Ravisi covered the Zunji Pumu, and Amuno Diamba, Arsumis, Chimbrang and Drade, Pasabak, Tiba, Tanganizaka, you friend, Loturi Wesa, or the grace and her presence, it's a woman.
I'll go you one, Amanda, Actually, I think this is my first time to go to on an actual studio. Can you do it at the phone? I mean,
oh, so you told me what you set up here. So,
yeah, I want to get a video.
Nifa Bashangamanda Univen as an institution, eh? That's a company University of Ven. And I'm saying, I don't know if it was your first time, but University.
No, I've been here a couple of times. Mara. It's not Besha, not a Besha, Mara.
Baba Kwan.
Bangadiro Mbuzer, Le Besha guy, and then the Bakakunda, Besha, Una, half in that Besha.
But we are by Amber openly. Nuri, Abatico Sasala, Abatiri Sasaraza.
Tonga, we have people no more than Africa, Una write your opinion now in your phone. So, no one come opinion. So, they also want to go to Besha, Maraya, and there are a couple of things in the this jamba.
I know some government. Comes a retome upon next such a kind of guy. Retome professor Kingsley Ndinya. Come on, Mr. Omrao. By round kwamba murau hanke murau reka dito toma ka Kingsley chipebu ade kwa bibo ono through the bibo guy ayajena primary guy na gana ga to detail
so yeah tomo ifa so go na interview mshuma abusire no bibo guy so go toma somewhere
pano rotoma madumu.
Yeah, but then in a nutshell I would say Kingsley ndi fitanganedzani Kingsley Mudao in mazina anga utari basani ndabebo tizwe ndikusi ndi mini ngenso kurishangwa chiona chi so ndabebo twinga by then ngana
twinga ringa sanga ndikusi ya
ndimi adizori kusi ndi mini
ore o divide unazwe ikusi ngumwa atwinga
ndingazviva
okay abaise pana
shabu bishiwa nani mara ya ndabebo twinga and then I did primary Chiruvi ndianinge twinga and then we moved na family yanga yote ashuri khadi va roterofelela yeah fortunately and then raya chishuru ngodi vangore skwengane ndi Lomondo actually andione kusi kwa Lomondo now that we define kusi ni mimi
zikwangani azipatsini na chichite
nato reference nga mochara munhu
ndikufana kwakela vachiri Lomondo vari zvikwangani kandi ndinasa kudhiuma
Lomondo lotoma apparently apala nchitofira roboto za global
how
uya nalo
ndilo munhu hey
udito waripo
ndotoona utani one
hai mara ndinokuudza zviro.
reference avitu.
And then yeah ndadzura ninge ndapedzisa chikoro ndapedzisa primary yanga chikeva hai chikeva ndoya
ndofanga chikuwa zvidi
and then ndapedzisira ndoya Tendo high for my secondary level yothe kusvika ndichiipedza and then from there ndayavhedze usati upfuwiwa ndikadzura ninge ichichushuru and then just that zvino ndiva ndihayani naJoburg between zvezvo nganthani yachikoro so yeah tizori ndoshutisa mina upeti
uringedza ngamandla so vakandipa vhetse zvozvo
handivhedze
okay so vozviringedza ngadhira yavhuḓi ti ari ijenesi vhetse zvazvino because kha izvone we try by all means rere wane we know at this time most wavo avangotecheresi mara I know vavone vavi vararu votswawa headset nevonokotecheresa these guys vene vava kha grade 11 grade 12 navane kamsiku upase grade 12 mara vachivosokutsura so vone kha vadhotumuri tusarebhala vachiyavhetse voyavhetse vachikojena vini
ndichikoita mini usindichikoita yeah so vhetse ndoya ndichikoita mechanical engineering and then eventually ndatokodeyamba okay at the start ndachimbazora okay I wanna be in an industry where there's a manufacturing of cars so zvonanga zvezvo nami and I was like oh okay ndamoni kuita mechanical ngori atofi goloi kutoka kumulawo mechanic nami because I had that idea also nani ndazatori ndina knowledge kura nevo ngazo and then I did mechanical and I was like hi man this was good and then also kutana nofela chikoro ndiyavuya and then I switched to industrial engineering now it's a whole thing yasuzvina ndikutodozviita ndikutodozori from scratch chito chichitoma svika chichiva a final product chivachiitiswa hani that's when ndichizviita kha industrial engineering so yeah I've been doing industrial engineering ever since I switched from mechanical
so zvinova kha stage chipi vaka level ipi
chipi level mini arari inolindira risatsi
ati the okay bono vana undergrad mara
undergrad ati nangori rine ribva honors kati ndela difference ina rikamba ngazobesha
okay so right so look okay so basically so zvinobonekwa ndira results dzori vakonowana honors yavo
I wouldn't say really honors okay that's another project
all right vono ambara gawini ari zvivengeni
chitwamara la vets
mara laga
la UJ University of Johannesburg
vokozozvivorkedza zvino royavhetse voya UJ ari
ndichiwana chipinga ndienda ndichijena zvimwe zvikoro nerevatona zigugu so yeah ndapedza ndojagila zvichenepo and then I did entrepreneurial development UJ and then yeah ndaipedza
jano lopfana zvobvinga mani mara zvikubvana zvingari votarivo nyanya rokuya ndavona kadzimwe dzadzipost I don't know if it was kapodcast kana kadzimwe dzadzipost vokwambiwa zvotutara njani urikona vatutara medzi sikomboredzi yakuya nyana
medzi voti tutare
votobuya vagudisa mutu medzi
mara timburi ndichizvamba petu una mutu unokuvapa information itidzi nendovana kuti nerari chidivara rothe haiyani namini elati so bva chilati yambudza zori nontusa bad ndopasa ndokona yana UJ nga results dzamedzi I was like zvambori ndi blind yeah so mara vozotuta ndasiri ndatutarawo tingombadi ututara nemsingobadiriwa
so avatobadilisa mutu nalopfana kana dzine kazvivadira zvonena musi idea yobva gai yoribone vadire sikone vatome makungo au
podcasting it's a very broad thing tetizondingatochitomesa hanyu mara arawane mudzi wetoma so here's the thing I did say chikoro chakonda muti waita chifera so tinyaginga mandosokudzura petu ndisakuita chiti so I was like what's actually happening here so ndava ndikobona okay Venda or not Venda like Shangoni as a whole there's this cloud yohuvara around as podcast so ukambonga sozvinjina rako not America I do watch podcasts America dzapano ukodhaba ngatova pano vanara vadiva but then ona imwe shortage ine atikuivona ine ndikuivona ine ndiyavatova vavenda and we have so many people like out of Venda zvino niJoburg vakomva havala vatu votaripa so like if rine ukofira na vatu votaripa vatu varidiva ri uchamba zvipfumi wodhivara na vatu vavenda vunji avo why avatoneresa vadhisi vatu novavona and see the actual knowledge that ine vatu vadzirako amba ngayo kana kuboosta ngayo rine ribva Venda naminami because asi mapungoriso nga mango rejozi yange so nazvinji zvine rangamba ngazvo then I was like let me start something chine vatu vadodhiva nga rine I'm gonna get few people vadzibusiness artists ndisakutamba vembipaid but then mwana mwani avakaituya art or creatives to be specific vatu vaso then I was like hava tinoda vashumisa and then people are gonna know of the things that we do here in Venda, and then hopefully nga murahu na rinevo kha musi ri ḓo kona u vhidziwa huṅwe fhethu
Yeah.
uri hu na vhavenḓa vha so na kega. And then I would say uri na you know ḓi shuma zwavhuḓi, because some people vha no ḓi mbudza uri hu na muthu wa so wena muvhidza kha podcast nyago a tshi ḓa clubuni yanga ḓa performer na mini. I was like, okay, zwamo this is one thing tshine nda ndi khou fonga we're gonna impact South Africa as a whole, but then tshiṅwe tshithu tshine ndi songo tshimela tsho uri na Venda a ri ḓivhani nga tshashu.
Yeah, ndi zwone.
Yeah, so I was like, okay, zwamo ri idea ndi tshi khou ḓa nayo so ndi ḓo rola so na mini. Yo thoma iyo to ḓisa dzi guest na mini vhathu vha khou ḓi, and then eventually I changed to hezwa network zwe ra ri khou amba mathomoni uri to make it a network might have like maybe multiple segments in the podcast. And then nda thoma iṅwe inofi the Black Cash Diaries ine nda i co-hosta na unza nofi owaphamativa, and then we did a trial run yana yo Thomas like this is good, episode 2 ya very nice, but I was like okay, let's go on with this also ri nambe ri shume nayo ine ra vha ri khou focus ku amba dzi current matters, like una muthu wa mulodi ana anga sa ḓizori u khou ita mini vuwani, una muthu a tshakhumani anga sa ḓizori u khou ita mini Thohoyandou, kana vho muthu ane a vha Univen ane o ḓi to ḓavho mara asi muthu wa Venḓa mara o nyago u ḓivha zwinzhi nga Venḓa, u khou ḓi guda Tshivenḓa ngori songo to ḓowedza u gudisa vhathu matamba fhedzi, because I didn't never Venḓa right or I thought that, so ndi yo gudo semana. So yeah, ndi zwe podcast ya ḓisa zwone hezwo. And then yeah, now ndo ḓisia zwiṅwe. I think that's it nyana.
Ari ḓo swika vala vha songo tshuwa vhone. So ndi tshe now. So Anthony, ari ḓomba nga reception ibe one. Musi vhathu vha tshi thoma or rather idea i tshi kha ḓi vha idea. Vho vha anticipate uri vele ndi a ḓi themba, ndina khonani nnzhi, ndina vhathu vhanzhi vhane vha ḓivha, so hinthu ndi tshi khou isa vhathu na ine uri ḓi shuma zwavhuḓi, or vha khou ḓi to dzhia chance vho sa muṅwe na muṅwe, and it happened uri vha ḓivha wa mashudu.
I wouldn't say and go to a chance, but then also I would say it or all the chances, because it can either goes both ways. Or nice kind of stimulation. But then after that business, as I come up with something.
Okay.
So I started a business, the JC sometime back, and then people were supporting. But I was like, why all this support? I'm like, okay, what do I know? And then home to a chamber, and I'm home to a tina, with Divana. And I was like, Naka podcast is the chimera, so just that you know the one constraint ya Venda, or now I'm gonna do this in Venda for our people. And then I was like, okay, look at Tomo. That's such a kind of such chimera, whenever I was the chimera. And then that Toma started, I spoke to a then girlfriend, I'm doing the Toma episode. You're the tomato, and then I was like, come running and I'm trying to add the podcast. I wanna start this thing huge. Didn't remember Jinami and Noshika. Then she was like, nah, I'm game, I'll talk to you. Latin I thought that you forget about your tongue.
Okay.
I've been on the
Union.
The Fistosville.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
So they got that end. They want out. I didn't say that she to the tongue.
It's possible to come say, Muzano Bona,
come to that dinner and
as it goes.
As goes to. As it goes to. His color.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I spoke to the guy at the end, and then the one could deal as Lana Zilla. Before he told us then finally I think it was last year March, somewhere around there, I'm foreign that let's shoot, and then we started Rashuta. From there it's been ongoing, and then yeah, that's one that I will switch up on kind of them with soy.
You're engaged. But if it's current places are Robert Coos, Japanone, Ivana Coos, and I feel like Ringashambara Uku Pangafilu Yabudaman.
Yeah, Ngaman.
On the show.
Yeah.
They would not Tangan.
The co-host Tinenda Janet Koro. So no, I think because we are made in a bad way. Okay. Remember you meet friends at home, even at school, and I took to show Mao. So in high school, she was a grade behind me, and then Rachi Damba because na Kirkin Rojana wrote, and I mean, what Zim. And then yeah, so I told her, let's come up with this idea. Rita so she was like, okay, it's fine, let's do it. And then yeah, that's how we met. Yeah.
Okay. So the Ubizwa coffee, is it coffee?
Yeah, it's coffee. That's how she coffee. What is coffee?
Coffee, it's fun on the middle name. Hey, once I don't know how could one mean mara the life is in night. So how could debate from a zina hello so that's how professor is it middle name can the sun name out.
It's really dinner. Okay, sorry Kofi if you're listening and this is a family secret, Mara. Yeah, I think that's a surname.
Okay.
Yeah, Yakotiawa kana. Yeah, she said it on the other podcast, on the other episode. So,
Okay.
yeah, the surname Yakotiawa, I think.
Mm.
So, yeah, he's African. So, she's probably African as well.
Even me.
You know, when we say African, we mean it might be upwards. Most people are African.
Okay, so far. So, anyone the mazina ngachivenda ndi
Wapa Machiva.
Wapa Machiva.
Yeah.
Okay, look for something about
Yeah.
it's come on the Riambero, the Buya Parajura Pasina, because Instagram yawi. Yeah.
I was born as Nepene.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Azambo ati awedi.
So just those bonaparte.
Yarudo bonaparte, yeah.
When I was about you, I was researching now. As you don't tell Swanga, the Kotumara Piranga and Rimbo Kuruto of Kazola, Kitty Swanga, which could do watch if you don't cry. Vahabo, Ardaras could build up as something a man that could send it. I'm going up down. Our Yotoman now for Melanua Hatri. Chibuya, Reacono, this and Mr. Black Couch of Ticket Swanga, and our Frozo Munavas to do the Wardam Shumaway, about a better guy. When I was going to pay to it. About what is become similar time experience, Kazin, and if you're on the Homuter, Wamrao, aka Rod Batal, I'm the hardest soul in the land. Martina Chitichi, Chundichipi, Univer FM 99.8, the station that begins with you. So, as we get up to the song, exactly 12 minutes after 1 o'clock, pick up similar time experience, one of the doctor, aka Rod Batal, I'm the hardest soul in the land, Nango. The West about the Pumelani Wahativi, or the Zero towards Zama, no, or the Zama Pungo, our year Thomas. There is no way of teachers who are towards Zama Pungo Hanepo. As you know, and the Katibana Yapononi, any Kingsley, Ntanga.
What Tanga?
Tanga, not Ntanga.
Tanga.
Tanga.
Hey, it's one Tanga.
But that's no mistake. I don't know about those for why do it a mistake. Nishita intro, no reason Namuranga.
And about more team to attack the money. To attack you. There's no complaint. Romo the second of the name for
I'm right there.
Yeah, and you can't.
Where is the Ritobe Resatu Humera Jabet actually, and did I give me an open Tambion? You didn't want young man.
I'm giving it later. Give me the Mogu.
Ah, Jorge Rewa Wukat. Rapidar Petagama Pungo, Resumo, which put up numbers is running. But the doors of the Gablar. Read. Okay, as the so because give me the possible 5 in 15 seconds, right? As soon as I day, and the banana 15 seconds. 15 seconds that the banana gets to Zidano, Zonotumanga, a certain letter under a certain category. No parani.
Mara, it's impossible. You can determine me.
Well, I think Renapa Tuba B. If I'm not mistaken, Utobacha February, when you know Konusumezrai, are impossible. And there are impossible, but what I mean. Impossible.
Oh, can we impossible when we know it?
Yeah, it's never bigger.
Oh, yeah, I'm not home.
Okay, as did so Caribou is also the Chibuga Dread, the kitchen song, Rotoma Radroscone Tiranga. And as you know, the song and the possible 5 and 15 seconds, Yosrika, what about reading? But doing Papo, by for 2 was a whim, Chipinga Chipa Chopper and Gamura Wamsi, both for boom, the one explosion in the airport. Oh, so the song over so that this is so okay in an Akuba this upon. Starting with the letter P, give me 5 names of books that you can find in the Bible.
Peter, Philemon, Peter, Philemon, and
I Bishop Wapas.
don't stress.
Bishop Vangastagaris.
Then we try a New Testament.
I'm Bishop Vangastakari.
I'm Bishop of Kavan baby.
Hey, the rest. So, Rena Proverbs, Rena Psalms.
Oh,
Rena Philemon, we won. Rena Peter, we won. Rena Philippians.
I'm going to New Testament Vangasin. New Testament Vangasin.
But was never Genesis about tomato and Dingarini, the pay back, Dini, Ubu but the mother of Frabadu to some wood. Dini, how don't come.
How many bucks again?
I think bucks were recently or over good school.
Ako
Episode
mona.
ya kina ke bar fezi yo ba episode ya ude ngomba yo episode ya
Ko
bar fezi
man.
vena fashika na ufi vone vone vanga badela vashumi vanga iga okay have the cash
Awu fina veli ni umuntu. Fina veli ni umuntu.
rene ri nga to imara ri vanga sir kona
Utangana veni vavili azavori vali vali mawote. Ubana rama fungo. Ngambadela kumela giani.
zvino vabve voranga umela gia nosinoso rine ri dangerous ubva mpumalanga
Oh, no Mpumalanga.
Okay, zvino
Ati odanga chikolo.
Ria outside.
Hango damu chimono da chikolo. Atopedza degree kukote wana na mutangana.
okay so ripedzidze ne kamse vari nege dzimwe dza competition dzine vone vapesori vanadzo kana dzikutakuhwa dzikuda in terms of podcasting azinovenda ndi vatude namusara kamse vasabudisa competition mara vene vari kutovasedza vavona uri hava vanoni they are in the right track
Oh, okay. The more ndisonga competition. Murufi afundisa ibona ndisonga shit.
so havana competition inandovena
I wouldn't say ndina competition because aringorodala ti competition nyagani vanhu zvauti ni vaviri vo niyadhitusana nagaina pala na pala.
so ni vaviri
Podcast upfidzi one venda. Just that dzimwe dzia nendisongoite so vanhu vasho. Nani yagoriswa na venda. Nendifuna no vatu va podcast venda nongotisheresa. Ubva ka ndodzianga madzena. Oh, una imwe ke ivi number 1 venda podcast.
tidivi okay
The guy is not even Venda. Yeah, Mara is the number 1 Venda podcast. Ironically. And then I think that I baby, but then there's also there's Masters podcast. I talked to the guy so and that is that gay. Well, that is fine. I feel. Yeah, it's the guy we've been helping out each other here and there. And then another one the okay, man, band of force. I want to say that because there's a mumbula mara ukodachi.
so wamba number 1 tidivi but that's obviously the idea
I know there's a bit because but when now got up.
oh
I think that's the reason.
no
I had to check out the competition. I feel like yeah.
but then vabona ngati ndimincho nokuvaitisa uri yavo riri ikuva successful than others
People speak of consistency, which we had last year because I did have time.
yeah
But then this time around,
go
this year, I don't think we are that consistent.
Yeah.
Mara, to compensate for that, we have the quality for it. But ando zamana ngachukua no chadi or ngotoda mingi.
Lingo, I can attest.
Yeah, na so chimwe what else? Yeah, that's guess narakodisa. We bring in quality. As wapo ngosukore unanyinya kweta mini snap Sunday afimudise. But when you nombidza uri with any nyinyo ko trend. I'm like ndikodzanda ndamane 15 minutes.
Problem ndi.
So ndikonyaga muthu ane we can have like a conversation ramba. Ndaamwana zuri una prep.
Yeah.
Kufanana nena bo ndikona sana bambiri. Rombo reswo zvikude.
Ne atu. Nena wona ri afana ri kotojia mishumo ya vamwe vathu. Nena wona ri okay field ya meeting. Already.
Oh, ngori nawe unofunza nyana. Undozifa.
Okay, rich compensisa munda ndo ya radara email wa first day. Vathu va ḓoni wona guy ara vha tshikoto ḓo vhona khamsi podcast not on follow nga nwe ya mishumo ya.
The biggest I feel like ndene vatu yotevera khayo. Instagram na TikTok ndo tevera mbra. Mara YouTube is the best. Ndino narakohola ona ndino narakweta nyachelede. You can just subscribe to Kingsley Mudau. Na search uri Kingsley isa tumwala no Mudau. Iba ino vereda. That's how big it is. And then na search uri the Black Couch also I think it does pop up. Now only subscribe. We are on the road to 10,000. Pretty sure by the end of this month or mid next month tutaona 10,000. So yeah, people do subscribe rinitele na lipati nyana. Nkegulu vari vadoli sponsora so naendo torindela watantu. With a lineup, Mikeguru Badila Vaimbi. So, and I never got to so yeah, I have sort of around 50,000 Vaimbi. I think they were in eShop. And then yeah, and then there's also Instagram, the .Black Couch your raro. And then on TikTok, I'm using my personal one. In as not it's only 10 minutes. Personal. So it's Kingsley Mudau now, TikTok. And then Facebook also, na ndi good, zviko chimbira. Facebook ndiyo
ende una tshelede Facebook vhathu vha bvisesi kha
oh jambo na net to pfese kanisa
Facebook
vele tshelede
vazongo shuku
panga jambo do toilet kadukuta na tshelede
vana vese rimwe kapanda muna Kingsley kamsi nisa tutuwe hoite yabini ka couple channel yawe ya uda kudzingana
ukonya kudamba kamaika kana nendipindure nah I don't think anything happened zvinomanga dzavo vatu vanyaya kudze mbuzi zambori wewe ni atasara
arari kotevela abeni venda utu vana suzva so mushi so
yeah niki ndi buse page so the couples channel was doing good na mini but then chikolo tiri no bare country engineering a lot first yo chimrango ra
flexio
nah it's not really a flex nda flex aninga stand mara yeah so couples channel level on we decided to stop ngori ndo thoma za podcast I was like I'm going to give this to you make an sure changa kwechi ndachi cover right chinepe ndichichi but they won't allow that so now ndikori continue make your money if there's money when I try the campaign ka YouTube and I think it's one thing she never not to but then out there ka YouTube ariko bona and then so I gave the channel to her or nane focus ka zwanga usina stress cha zwivili so yeah that's it
no pfala munna ndiri kweseka bada chipinga chapo uto zvikodila ridalela dari pa 1 hour zvitwa 01 like out busy sa ba engineer vorine ka bada rimwe seka bada munna na chipinga chitari ndo re har ngasaneliwa kamsi na lepatini kamsi rito MC ya unosa
send an CV into watu wa serious atonga kuti go switomo
Petro was about the Kingsley the Kingsley udivisa Mr Black Couch or rather but from udivisa Mr Black Couch uba ka podcast no visa Black Couch vai wane ne kula ka Facebook the Black Couch
but hela article basonga is the most important
the Black Couch zvazvino ka vari ndituwe kana rimuperekedze hono ninga Megan Thee Stallion anani Nicki Minaj lo siya lunchtime experience ka Universal FM